Alright, so we are going to Nick's house right now to go get my motor, my 2J. I'm about to bring it over today. Got some straps in the car down there, a little bit of Gatorade, GoPro charger, that's all we need. So, let's do it. Alright, we are pulling up to my boy Nick's house. About to get this motor though. Can't wait. Can't wait. Moving all these cars.
It's that time.
It's that time, bro. We got back this truck up in here, you know what I'm saying? About to get this motor. Finally. Hell yeah. A little cold start for you. Yeah, that's LS swapped. Nah, I'm totally kidding.
Cool. I'm gonna take a shit now. There we go.
Ready? Oh, shit. A little more. Oh, easy.
Now let her down slowly.
There we go. Got her in there. Hell yeah. Let's take her to my house. There we go. The motor's finally getting taken to my house. We finally completed it. Today was a good day. And then we got Nick's 240 over there chilling. Let's hear it start up. Ooh, purse so nice. My motor. Welded diff life. My baby, my 2J, guys, it's going home. Oh, what a bittersweet day. There we go. We made it, folks. We made it. Got her there, buddy. The LS powered Chevy. It's hard to control all that power. There we go, folks. Oh yeah, there's a 2J. She's ready to go in. Got the heat started already. Hell yeah. Going in real soon.